Hello everyone. Today we continue our yesterday topic, that is types of communication, right? The types of communication we discuss on the basis of expressions that are clear, verbal, non-verbal, verbal and inverbal. There are two types of communication, that is most important, oral and written, right? Then now today the second type of communication. In last finally I can written all these types of communication in whiteboard. Okay, so today the second form of this communication is on the basis of flow, right? First one is on the basis of expression, then second one is on the basis of flow. So on the basis of flow, it is divided into some parts, that is number one is vertical communication. Okay, vertical communication, horizontal communication and diagonal communication. So vertical communication number one, that is on the basis of flow. Okay, I again repeat, the second one is on the basis of flow, and on the basis of flow first subheading is vertical communication. Vertical communication is the communication, we can say, where informations or messages are flow or passing between or among the subordinates and supervisors of the organization, right? That is a part of vertical communication. Now this vertical communication is again divided into two parts, A or B, that is downward communication and upward communication. Okay, vertical communication is divided into two parts, downward and upward. Downward communication ki when information moves all the way through from superiors to subordinates, right? So it is really known as downward communication. Downward, as it is its names, it's clarify their definition. Then second one, that is upward communication. I again repeat, it is a part of vertical communication. Okay, downward and upward. Then upward communication ki when information flows from bottom to top, and we can say ki subordinates to superiors, or it is known as upward communication. Okay, upward communication. So supervisors, superiors, subordinates, so they all are in forms of downward and upward communication in vertical communication, right? On the basis of flow, vertical communication is divided into two parts, downward and upward. Is it clear? Then second one is on the basis of flow, second one is horizontal communication. That's its name. Its clarity about its name, ki horizontal is the transmission of information through people from, we can say, ki department of units within the same level of organization, right? For example, ki we can say managing director, production manager, finance manager, marketing manager, HR manager, purchase managers, they both are in same level, right? Their designation, their are same, their level are same of organization. So this kind of communication is known as horizontal communication. Okay, then lastly in this part of on the basis of flow, diagonal communication. So diagonal communication, it is the communication between, we can say, it's held between different structures of the business forms. It is the communication between the higher and the lower sector of the business form, or we can say ki several parts of this types of communication is included in this communication. So it is also known as cross functional communication, right? Diagonal communication is also known as cross functional communication. And we can suppose, we can say, production manager is related with HR managers, yeah, account officer is coordinated with sales managers. So cross functional area is located in this types of communication, right? So student, this is your second types of communication, that is the on the basis of flow, right? Then lastly it is divided into on the basis of relationship, right? On the basis of relationship, our communication is divided into basis of communication. Normally it is divided into two parts, that is formal communication and informal communication. As its name, it is clear, formal communication ki it refers to interchange or information officially. The flow of communication is controlled and and it is a deliberate efforts, or it can both be coordinate between all subordinate superiors, and it works on handle with oral communication, written communication, and it's apply with the some policies of organization. It is act as formally, right? So it require as an oral form or written form, or it is a communication is overall on the form of oral formal way. Okay, so this kind of communication is formal communication. Now second one, that is no informal communication. Informal communication is the casual and we can say ki it is an unofficial form of communication, right? In where the information is interchanged between more persons with confirming to prescribe officially rules, procedure, system, etc. are not following this types of informal communication. Okay, so communication is based on basically based on relation like friendship, membership, or some gossip. So it is known as, also known as, we can say it is also called as the grapevine communication. जैसे as like grapevine, अंगूर की बेल होती है ना, grapevine की it is flow from one way to other. So this kind of communication is also this kind of grapevine communication. So it is also known as grapevine communication. So these all are types of our communication. Now I can return in whiteboard only the types of communication what I study to you. Okay, then I written in whiteboard. Types of communication. Students, I again repeated you all types of communication because in it is some lengthy topic, and I four times of this kinds of communication ki on the basis of expression, flow, and relationship. So number one I discussed, that is on the basis of expression. Right, I think you all are know about this ki on the basis of expressions I describe you. This is category into verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Okay, verbal is again divided into two parts, that is oral or written. Okay, this is on the basis of expression, first type of communication. Okay, on the basis of expression. Now second one I wrote, second one is on the basis of flow. Okay students, on the basis of flow I just teach you. On the basis of flow it is divided into vertical communication, right? Then on the basis of flow, first one is vertical. Vertical is again divided into two parts, that is downward. Okay, downward communication. Right student, second one is upward. upward communication. Right? In this category, second one is horizontal communication. And third one is sorry, diagonal communication. Right? So this is on the basis of flow. Right, students? I think you should all are clearly about this. On the basis of flow, I can again repeat, it is divided into vertical communication, horizontal communication, and diagonal communication. And vertical communication, that is again divided into downward communication, upward communication. So downward may be in this type of subordinates, supervisors, and so in this types of upward communication, we can say also general managers, assistant managers, or division, departmental HODs, etc. So ये this type of communication is divided in the basis of flow, right? And lastly, finally, that is third one, on the basis of relationship. Okay, on the basis of relationship. So on the basis of relationship, this is divided into two parts simply, that is formal communication. Right, students? Formal communication and second one is informal communication. Right? So these all are the types of communication. Three main types. Number one, most important number one type, that is on the basis of impression or expression, in this category, verbal or non-verbal. I again repeat it, verbal, it is most important because we all are doing our activities through this communication, that is oral and written communication, right? And non-verbally, sometimes we also use non-verbal by our signals, by our gestures, postures, our body languages, right? And on the basis of flow, you can read you can on the basis of flow, vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. And on the basis of relationship, that is last, formal and informal communication. And informal communication is also known as grapevine communication. Okay, students, so our today topic is these types of communication is over, and now next video I will share you next topic. Okay, so thank you so much.